turn an old TV into a smart mirror. In this section, we will turn an old TV into a smart mirror with the help of Magic Mirror 2. It is an open source modular smart mirror platform that allows you to convert your old TV or display into your personal assistant. Parts needed. In this video, we will go through the parts and the tools needed in order to finish this project. First and foremost is our TV. You can find one very easily and sometimes for free in a local recycling center. I literally found this one on the side of the road. All that is important is to have HDMI out. Second, we will need a double-sided mirror. To save some of your time and labor, you can find acrylic double-sided mirrors online, which can be cut on your desired dimensions. If that is not an option, you can always use acrylic or even glass covered in car windows film. That will give you the same effect. The target for this project will be to do a borderless mirror, so the size of it will be also covered with sheets of mirror. This one doesn't have to be double-sided, as these will hide our sides. For our frame, I went with a 2.4 meter long piece of timber that is 8 cm wide and 2 cm thick. Make sure that the width of the timber covers the width of the TV. The board of choice for this project is Pi 3B+. The Magic Mirror software is very CPU intensive, so this will not run properly on a Raspberry Pi Zero board. A minimum of 8 GB SD card. For powering our Pi, we will need a 5V 2A wall adapter. Make sure that you have 2 amps, otherwise you might have some voltage problems. A micro USB cable to power the Pi. For an ease of use, I will add a smart switch to our circuit so that we can schedule or turn it on or off when we desire. 2 3-pin power cords. From one we will use the internal wires and the other we will use for powering the mirror. A connector box for connecting our wires and some extra connectors. Some resin core solder. A roll of Kapton tape for insulating our Pi. Insulation tape for our cables. Some double-sided tape. We will need this to fix our TV and mirror in place, so find one that has a strong fix and it has heat resistance qualities. Screws for fixing our frame in place. Sandpaper to smooth out the edges. Now let's go through some of the tools. A soldering iron. An electric jigsaw. You can do it with a handsaw as well. A step drill bit and a drill. A small handsaw. A cutter. A ruler. And finally a screwdriver with different screw heads.